I'm John Ferguson. I own Precision Realty and Management in Houston, Texas. I also am president of the Woodlands Sales and Management, which we also own. I've been associated with Michael Boltz for almost 30 years, and I'm here to talk about him today and his great knowledge of the law and how he's defended us over the years and given us great advice. Some 30 years ago, almost 30 years ago, I moved to Houston with a large New York firm that owned a lot of apartment complexes here in Houston. And I was the regional vice president for them. Michael was the attorney, which was already on board when I moved here. I met him and I was so impressed with his mild demeanor. But when we got in the courtroom, it was like he was loaded for bear. And he really cares about his clients, and he goes the extra mile to make sure that they're protected. And he gets good results. Some 10 years later, my wife and I formed our two companies. And we kept on using Michael at that time because Michael has always given us good, solid advice. And he is very knowledgeable about the law, especially about property management. And that's the area we're in. Michael helped us form our companies, and over the years we've been in a couple of lawsuits, and he was involved in it, and we've never lost one. When he gets in the courtroom, he is so prepared. It's just unbelievable the amount of work that he goes to and the amount of paperwork he has, the amount of exhibits he has. When we get there, he is just well documented, and he knows exactly what he's doing. Fortunately, we've not had to do that too many times with him because he's always been able to resolve matters before we get to the courtroom in most cases. Of all the attorneys I've met and talked with in the Houston area and even in Texas, Michael is the right one for us. He knows the law as it relates to our business. He knows how to defend us. He knows how to give us the right advice at the right time in the right situations. If you are in a real estate type business, I would not hesitate to recommend him for you.